Hey, have you guys ever seen something online or on Amazon and you really want it? Well, that's happened to me. I discovered a couple of years ago that they made electric pressure canners, just like your Instant Pot. And I have wanted one for over 2 years, and I was finally able to get one. So today, it's coming out of the box. I thought I'd just bring you guys along. That way you get my opinions and thoughts and everything as I unbox it. I have the Presto canners that I have used for years. Just, you know, your traditional canner with the weights on top. But I wanted this one. I wanted to be able to do just like I do with my Instant Pot. Turn it on and walk away. Okay. Paperwork and my book. My rack to sit down on the inside of it. Holy cow. Guys, this is not light. This is heavy. This side of the way now. Oh wow. This is nice. Okay. Open. Okay. Now folks, I have not looked, as you see, at any of the instructions, so I'm going to have to figure every bit of this out. Okay, turn the knob towards you till it stops. Lift knob, rotate cover counterclockwise. Okay, let me get it the right way. Okay, it stops. Counterclockwise. Okay, well. Oh, okay. Lift it. Hey, guys, I'm learning. Okay. It does say lift knob. I kind of moved it. See, that wasn't so hard. Woo, look at a bag. And it shows the fill line very clearly in here. I like that. And this is it down in here. Okay. Wonder what's in our little box. We will see. Okay, we have the weight and we have the cord. Now folks, I cannot wait to try this out. I'm assuming we turn it on here and set it. I'll plug it up and in all honesty, look at the instructions for a minute. And then we'll have everything figured out and I'll show you what it looks like whenever we plug it up and tell you how it works before we try that first canning. I got my new Presto pressure canner today. The electric pressure canner, guys. I have it plugged in. I set it on a cutting board and I have 8 pints of chili beans in here that I'm going to process. Okay. This is the first time that I've used it. So I put the lid on here and turn it, and it says locked. Okay. I've got to put that down, the latch, and turn it until it clicks. Okay, so that's secure. Okay. The next thing that I need to do, I am pressure canning. So, I push that. Okay. I need to turn the timer for the appropriate amount and push that again. My jars are already in there. So, I'm pressing the arrow button. Okay, it's heating up right now. That's what the warm is. And those lines going across through there. Okay. It's going to heat up, and then it's going to start venting out of this right here, just like your normal pressure canner does. Okay. But the cool thing about this, and folks, yes, I have a cheat sheet because, like I said, it's the first time I've used it, and I want to tell you correctly. Okay, we're down to heat. Okay, once it gets up to temperature, vent is going to come up right here somewhere. And then it's going to vent for 10 minutes. Okay, and the timer will be going down, showing the vent for 10 minutes. Okay, when that time goes down, it's going to beep, and it's going to say to put the regulator on. Well, this is the regulator, and it's going to be right on here, right on top of it, just like your normal canner. Okay, and once that goes on there, you hit the arrow button, and it's going to go on to the canning phase. The beeping will stop, and then the canning light comes on, and it's going to be under pressure for the amount of minutes that you previously set. Okay, and then it's just like your Instant Pot. Once it gets all the way through that time, it's going to quit cooking. But instead of going on keep warm like your Instant Pot does, it's going to start cooling down. And let's see, it actually has a cool light on there. It says it may take an hour and a half to cool down. Well, it probably will, because your normal canner takes a long time too. But one thing that I have read and really like about this right here, when it gets through the entire cycle, it's going to say done. And you don't open it until it says done, because it's still under pressure. Because you never ever want to open a canner or an Instant Pot under pressure. So, we'll see how long this takes, and I'll let you know at the end of this process if I like it as much as I think I'm going to. Because, just in case you couldn't tell, guys, I'm excited about this. And I'm so glad to have the Presto pressure canner that's electric. I have a confession. This thing hadn't cooled down before I went to bed last night, so I walked off and left it. So, this is the first time that I'm taking anything out of it. Honestly, this is still warm in here. It's very well insulated. Okay, I took my regulator off. Opened it a little easier this time than what I did the first time I attempted, huh? Okay, let's turn it. Lift it. And there we have it. Like I said, they're still warm. They're not hot, but they're sealed. I am very well pleased with this pressure canner. I waited 2 years to get one, and I am so excited to have it. The main thing that you have to remember, let me set this down, is as it goes from one mode to another, you have to hit that advance button when it beeps and lets you know that something different needs to happen. That's the only thing I kind of didn't catch at first, but hey, I'm learning. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for trying this out with me, and I'll see you on the next video.